Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Trendmood subscription box that is in collaboration with Black-owned brands. Let's begin. Oops. Okay. So this box, as well as other Trendmood boxes, actually sells out as soon as it hits their website. So it's not a subscription box, but it is kind of monthly, and they tell you when it drops, and in a few minutes everything's ordered. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, so this first thing I see here is this OPY or DPY metal and liquid glitter. Oh, this is really shiny. Let's see, and you could have gotten different variations of this, but this color, let's see, what is it called? It's number 4, and it's Give Me Glow. Give Me Glow. This is what it looks like. It's this orange glitter, orange bronze. I think this is a versatile glitter. Oh, it comes with this stick. Okay. Yeah, I think if you use it as eyeshadow, you could use a base with it as well. Eyeshadow primer or something. Okay. Okay. Oh, it looks like I got this extra product. I think if it's your, I don't know, is this an extra product or not? Let's see. It's a 10% off coupon for Zodiac palette. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so it's from Zodiac Cosmetics. Yeah, I think, let's see. This is their Zeus colored body glitter, I think. It's sealed. It's this bronzy color. I think this is loose glitter that can be multi-use. Okay. So this is the code if you're interested in it. Okay. The next products are these 3 lipsticks. Let's see what they're like. This is by Colored Rain Satin Lipstick in the shade Whipped. Okay. It's in this cute packaging. It's this brownish color. Oops. Got bent. Uh-oh. So brown pinkish lipstick. Okay. It's turning. Okay. It is a vegan formula, cruelty free as well. Okay. The next lip product is by Mented. Nude Lala Matte lip shade, and Okay, let's see. This is what it looks like. It's this brown color. It's a lot browner than the other one. Okay, it's a chocolatey color. The next lip product is by Propa Beauty. It's a satin lipstick, Luminous, and it's in the shade Focused. Okay, let's see. Oh my. Okay. Oh, it comes in a brown case. Let's see. Wow, this is a darker brown. Okay, it's more chocolate. Actually looks like chocolate. Okay. The next product is this Colored Rain Smoke Show Eyeshadow Palette. Okay. This is what it looks like when you open it. There is a mirror. So let me close that. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It looks like all the colors are matte except for one shimmer shade right here. This is the only shimmer shade. It's a dark green. It looks almost black on my hand, but I think it's like a blackened green. And this is a green matte. These are more base shades. This is brown, can be used as a transition shade. Okay, and then, oops, I think I got that one. This and that are the last ones. Okay, those, and then those shades. Okay. Okay. And now there is only one last palette left. And let's see. This product is by OPV Beauty London Born to Shine Blush Palette. Okay. Oh wow, this has plastic all over it. I'm gonna use scissors to open it. Okay. Okay. This is a huge palette. For a blush palette especially. It is so big. Okay, come out. Oh my. Okay, got it out. This is what the palette looks like. It does come with a mirror. And these are the blush colors. Wow, these are huge pans. There's orange, purples, pinks, mauves. Wow. These are huge. Uplifting, light, smile, keep calm, positive, and unstoppable are the colors. Beautiful. Wow. This will last you forever. It's a huge palette. Okay. That's the last item in the box. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye!